the International Women's Month, and we just finished the Salute to a Clean Flag movement. And we are here at the Rizal Park, Luneta, in Metro Manila. On behalf of the new channel, we thank the National Parks Development Committee and the Stop and Salute to a Clean Flag Ceremony movement. Thank you so much for inviting us. It's an honor that the new channel is able to represent a group of women, particularly the Global Women Who Rule and me and my outstanding mother. So to everyone who attended, maraming salamat po. Sana po ang mga kababaihan at mga pamilya na nag-attend sa araw na to, ma-realize po natin kung gaano ka-importante ang role ng mga kababaihan, lalo na mga kababaihang Pilipino sa ating mga pamilya, sa ating mga communities, sa online communities po. Ayan. So sana through the presence of the new channel dito sa event na to, na-remind namin kayo and you help us continue to salute our clean flag, to respect, to give respect to our flag, and of course, to give respect and to give honor to all the fantastic, wonderful Filipino women here and around the world. Again, maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-attend at maraming salamat also to the organizers for always inviting the new channel and Global Women Who Rule. This is Apple Manansala from the new channel and Global Women Who Rule. Happy International Women's Month po sa ating lahat.